In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a password on Windows 10. Setting up a password is one of the simplest and most important ways to protect your computer and your personal files. Whether you're using a shared device at home, a laptop you travel with, or a work computer, having a secure password ensures that only you or people you trust can sign in. Let's start right from your desktop. Look at the bottom left corner of your screen and click the Start button. This is the Windows icon. When the Start menu opens, you'll see a small gear icon, which is the Settings button. Go ahead and click that. This will open the main Windows Settings window, where you can control most of the features on your computer. Inside Settings, find and click on the option called Accounts. This is where Windows manages your user information, sign-in options, and other account-related settings. On the left side of the Accounts window, you'll see a list of sections. Click on Sign In Options. This is the area dedicated to how you log into your device. Here, look for the section simply called Password. If you don't already have a password set up, it will show an option to add one. Click on the Add button. A new window will appear asking you to enter a new password. Type in the password you want to use. Choose something that's easy for you to remember but hard for other people to guess. A good tip is to combine letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using obvious details like your name or birth date. In the second box, re-enter the same password to confirm it. This helps make sure there are no typing mistakes. Then, in the third box, type in a password hint. This should remind you of your password without giving it away to anyone else. Once you've filled everything out, click Next. Windows will show you a quick summary of the change. If everything looks correct, click Finish. Your password is now set. From now on, the next time you restart your computer or sign out, Windows 10 will ask for this password on the sign-in screen. Make sure you remember it or store it somewhere safe, like a secure password manager or a private notebook you keep in a safe place. And that's all it takes. You've successfully added a password to your Windows 10 account and made your device much more secure.